Welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk, and we're viewing a 1972 Chevrolet El Camino Super Sports. Now there you go. There's more detail than you can ever get on some of these. I wonder if Bumblebee had chose this as a design before. It's yellow. Just not Bumblebee yellow. And there's another one of them sticks. Park, reverse, neutral, 3, 2, 1, take off. Ooh, check that out. Nice rubber mat for the back. Chevrolet Super Sport. The SS. You know what else is SS? The SS Minnow. But you know, the SS Minnow went down and they never could fix her. This, on the other hand, it's fixed, it's beautiful, it's lovely. Just respect it. Check out more on Willis Talk.